Do you guys remember our friend Miguel? The guy with the horrible rejection story?
And then she dropped it. She goes, "You have got to be the ugliest guy in the..." No, dude, I know you probably don't believe me, but...
No way she responded.
Yeah,
like,
it's...
Who responds like that? Well, after further examination, I found out that my man has had zero sexy sex. Yo, my dude is in his prime. My dude is peaking. He's seasoned. He's mature.
So this is my humble wrestling collection that I have. As you can see, I have all the people that I really like. But one of my favorite ones, it's like I was saying, it's this one right here. Her name is Sasha Banks. And she's just so cool, man.
So who better to help him out than the virgin converter himself? I did it 2 years ago with a 21-year-old. I'm gonna do it again with this 35-year-old, but this time we need to see where he's at. So we brought 7 girls to speed date our friend Miguel. Let's hop into this.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Eva. What's your name?
Miguel.
Miguel.
Miguel, very nice to meet you. I have to do this because my mom said it was essential. I have to have gum so my breath smells like kind of nice.
Okay.
So,
are you close with your mom?
I'm very close with my mom. She's kind of like my best friend right now.
Okay.
She's always been.
So family's very important to you?
Yeah, just my mom right now. My dad's not really in the picture, but
okay.
Yeah, me and my mom are really, really close.
So I actually enjoy someone who's close to their family and who isn't shy or embarrassed about saying that they spend a lot of time with their mom and that their mom might be their best friend.
Would you like a piece of gum?
Yes, please, actually.
I'll let you pick it.
Thank you very much. So are you working right now?
I am not working right now, but I do like a lot of like streaming video games. Do you watch video? Do you like video games?
I play some video games. I haven't in a while. No, that's okay.
Very nervous, and you can tell.
You look a little nervous, but that's okay.
Yeah.
We all get nervous sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm not usually, you know, in these types of situations either, so it's normal to get a little nervous.
Yeah. But do you like video games?
I used to play a lot more, but
Yeah.
lately I haven't played, but I do watch Naruto.
Okay.
So I watch some anime, but I haven't played too many video games lately.
I love anime.
Yeah, what's your favorite anime?
Dragon Ball Z. She was into video games and anime, so I can see myself being with somebody who has the same interest that I do, that I have.
What did you think would stop you from dating this guy? What's the one thing you did not like?
I kind of like when a man can take charge and he can lead the conversation and like look me in the eye, and I feel like he was kind of nervous, looking in his bag, looking down. So kind of to make that connection.
I say this all the time. Men need to be more dominant, and not in the physical sense, but just like being able to lead a girl on in a conversation so the girl doesn't have to carry the whole weight of the conversation. This is the type of stuff women are actually looking for.
Hey, hi.
How are you?
Pretty good. Let me just say real quick.
What's your
I'm
name?
so sorry. Miguel.
Miguel, Maria.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
It's fine. What are you playing?
Civilization 6. Have you ever played that before?
No, what is that?
It's a game where you're just like have to conquer other countries and you have to develop a society, and it's a really interesting game. Right now I'm the Aztecs and I'm trying to dominate Canada.
Okay. You play this all the time?
I do. Okay, it's
You don't play any other games?
Mind if I just leave it there?
Yeah, that's fine.
So well, first of all, you're really pretty.
Thank you.
Yep.
When you just meet somebody,
Nintendo Switch, bro.
he was not making eye contact with me. I could tell he was nervous.
Would you, in an alternate universe, ever date the guy? Yes
No.
or no? Okay.
Hi.
How are you?
Pretty good. You look really pretty.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my God.
How are you?
Pretty good.
What's your name?
My name is Miguel. What is your
Nice
name?
to meet you. My name's Ashley.
Ashley. Wow, you have a really pretty name and you're really pretty too.
Thank you.
Do you like video games? I love video games.
I don't really play video games.
You don't play video games?
Not a lot, no.
There's this character in my game that I'm playing right now, Civilization,
Okay.
that looks just like you, and it just reminded me of it, and I thought to myself like, oh my God, maybe she is the queen of this country. I don't know. This is so funny. Do you mind if I give you like a hug? Just like a hug goodbye. Is
Sure.
that alright? Is that okay, guys? Alright.
That was hard to watch. My stomach is churning right now. I don't know how hard it was for you to sit through that.
It was okay at first, you
Okay.
know, like he was respectful, nice, complimented me, sweet. I wouldn't go out with him again though. I thought it was nice that he asked before he hugged me and approached me, but also he smelled so bad. Just like cheap cologne, not fresh.
Say no more.
Yeah.
We'll go fix this guy up. My man, what's going on here?
There's so many pretty girls.
Look, I saw your advance on the last girl. I respect how respectful you were. She said something interesting. What are you wearing? I'm just curious.
Ripped Abs by Bod.
No, you're not.
You know,
No, you're not.
I really am. I found it at the corner
God.
store.
Give me one
It's really
second.
nice.
I'll be right back. This is gonna be the start of our transformation today. This right here is Santa Lucia. It's a parfum made in France. It is my own, so I'm a little bit biased, but we curate it for one reason alone. When you're in dates,
Yeah.
you smell like a man. You smell like a man that's magnetic. Come closer. Spray it on. Go ahead. Next time a chick asks you, what are you wearing? Next time she asks you, what are you wearing? You know what you're gonna say?
Yeah.
Come closer. That's what you're gonna say, my man. I don't think you got it. Did you get the pun? He didn't get the pun. I'm trying to help you out here, see? I'm making you smell good and I'm giving you the one-liner.
I'm gonna say that.
Okay, I
Come
got
closer.
7 more girls coming, all right?
Okay.
Kill it.
Okay. Hi. Come closer. Do you smell it?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's it's a new one. I used to use this other one, but it's not as good. What's your name?
Allison, what's your name?
My name is Miguel Ellison. Nice to meet you. Are you from around here?
Yeah, I've always lived in New York. Are you?
I live in New Jersey. I live with my mom.
He was very talkative. I'm a naturally shy person, so it was good to have someone initiate a conversation.
My dad's not really like in the picture, but she's like my best friend.
It's good to have a close mom.
Yeah. Are you close to your mom?
Yeah, we're really close.
Yeah. Is she like your best friend too, or?
I wouldn't say my best friend,
Yeah.
but we're really close, yeah.
Okay. That's really nice.
I thought it was very strange that the first thing he did was tell me to smell him.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you like cologne?
Cologne?
Yeah.
I'm big into scents, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Come closer.
Smells good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
He seems sweet.
Your friend's owning him already.
That was it was a gift from a friend.
Smells nice.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Originally?
Oh, my family, my mom's side's Puerto Rican and my dad's side's Dominican.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And you?
I'm from Mexico. I'm Miguel.
Oh, Mexican?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Actually, my mom's part Mexican too.
Oh, really?
But I don't really know that much about that side of my family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you close to your mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like would you say she's like your best friend?
Yeah, for
Okay.
sure.
Yeah. She seems really nice. I like her because she says that her mom is her best friend. Yeah, my mom is my best friend too.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, we hang out all the time.
Yeah.
She's actually she went to WrestleMania with me,
Oh, really?
Florida. Yeah.
That's
It was
cool.
really nice.
WrestleMania. That's what my baby brother likes.
Hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Emily. What's yours?
Emily?
Yeah.
That's a pretty name, Emily. I'm Miguel. Are you listening? What are you listening to?
Okay, sorry for that.
What are you listening to? What do you like?
I was listening to a podcast actually.
Oh,
Prime
nice.
Podcast.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you listen to any pro wrestling podcasts?
I actually don't know what that is. I like that he asked me about like my interest right away. Like he noticed I was listening to something and he asked me what it was and then he kind of gave me a recommendation. I think that was pretty interesting.
You don't
but
like
what
pro
is it?
wrestling?
no, I haven't
Like
heard of it.
WWE.
Oh, okay, pro
AEW.
wrestling.
Yeah,
I do know what it is, but I've
Yeah.
never learned about it.
you never learned
And
about
I didn't know
it.
they had a podcast about them.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of wrestling, like Busted Open is one of my favorites. I love wrestling. Do you ever follow any?
I don't much.
Yeah.
I know that something like an event just happened recently.
WrestleMania.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That is not what I told you to do with that line.
But I told him to come closer.
We got a lot of work to do. I see the problem. Do you see the problem? Do you feel the problem or no?
I think I'm talking about all the things that I like. I don't see any problems.
Okay. We're gonna fix you up. I'm gonna fix you up. All right? This man, he's gonna be a different man in 3 episodes.
Okay. I like the
You in it?
challenge. Yeah.
For
Yeah.
sure?
Yes. I'm in.